The Quran was revealed 1400 years ago to a man who could not read or write, yet it contains the wisdom and knowledge of things that we did not find out until the last couple hundred years. For example, it perfectly describes how the embryo is formed inside of a woman, and that's something with microscopes and modern science we've only discovered in the last 300 years. The Quran also told us how fingerprints are unique to each person, and now we all know that we have a unique fingerprint that we use every single day to get into our phone. How could an illiterate man know any of this? And now I'm not saying that you have to blindly believe in the Quran, but what I am saying is that's not a coincidence. You should have an open mind. If you believe in science, you should look into the Quran, because when I reverted to Islam, it was a very logical decision. And if I look at the Quran revealed to a man 1400 years ago that could not read or write, and the amount of miracles in that and the amount of wisdom in that book, there's no possible way that it's not divine. That is why the Quran is the Word of God.